This is number 14 on the Chapter 4 practice test. We're going to find the center, vertices, and foci of the ellipse. So again, we need to know the standard equation for an ellipse. Standard equation would be x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. Again, that's a standard form for an ellipse. So let's write this equation just like the standard form for an ellipse here. So let's rewrite this. This would be x minus 0 squared over 7 squared plus, okay, just very similar. So x minus 0 was x. So this is the same thing here. Y minus 0 squared over 16, which would be 4 squared, which equals 1. So again, we now know h, k, and we know a and b. So our center in this case will be hk. Which is 0, 0. And then we want the vertices. Okay, we use the a and the b for that. So for the a, it'll be the x value. For the b, it'll be the y value. So the vertices here will be plus or minus a, 0, and 0 plus or minus b. So the vertices here are plus or minus 7, 0, and 0 plus or minus 4. So again, I just used the a's right there. So that's 7, and the b's. B is 4 there. And now I want the foci. The foci, again, is to find c. And the equation we're using is c squared equals a squared minus b squared. So to solve that, we're going to have c squared equals a squared, which was 49, minus b squared, which is 16. Oops. C squared is 33, and c is a square root of 33. Wow, a lot of information on this one problem here. Okay, to find the foci, how do we know whether it's going to be an x value or a y value? We know the foci will always be on the axis with the bigger value of the bottom number here. So here we have 7, and that's bigger than 4. So we know it's going to be on the x-axis. The 7 is on the x-axis. So our foci here will be at plus or minus the root 33, 0. So let's repeat that one more time here. To determine whether it was going to be the x or the y, I look at the vertices here and I see which one is bigger. In this case, the 7 is bigger, so therefore I know it's also the foci will also be on the same axis as the bigger number.